How to fix Instagram open and close on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just you need to see if there is here an update, and then just update it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step, and this one is for Android phones. Go to settings, scroll down, click apps, and then apps again. Now type here Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear data, and click OK, and then click permissions and give it all of those permissions here. And now restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.